I'm Rana Khan, co-founder of BucketList Traders. My aim is to show you how to become a successful Forex trader. How am I going to do that? Let me show you. What is the life of a Forex trader? It's about having fun, freedom, financial reward. If you're looking for a way to escape a 9-to-5 job, then now's the time to make that move and change your life. We will teach you exactly how to become a Forex trader. The key point is the strategy. We will make sure that you are getting consistent wins on a daily basis. How long do you need to work for? 2 hours a day. What do you do for the rest of the day? Relax. Forex has changed my life for the better. I work wherever I want, whenever I want. I buy whatever I feel like buying because it's giving me the collateral I need. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and create your own financial destiny. Let me welcome you to BucketList Traders.